Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to change main card in Apple Wallet. If you have multiple cards in Apple Pay, you can choose which one is used by default. This is helpful if you want to maximize rewards, use a lower interest card, or avoid unauthorized changes. Now on your iPhone or iPod, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Scroll further to the Transaction Defaults section. Tap Default Card and select the card you want to use as your default payment method. Just a tip, if you often switch between cards, you can open the Wallet app directly and pick the card you want before making a purchase. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.